Stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Mr. Solicitor, would you perform the...
I will. Gentlemen, I'm going to ask you all to stand together and we'll put all of you on at once, okay? And I have to ask you to put your, I'll tell you what, Bob, if you'll hold
His
that.
left hand on the Bible,
Yeah,
right hand raised.
that's because you're a Republican, you're anti-socialist. I need for you to repeat the oath after me, and it goes like this. I state your name,
I, Robert William Wilson,
do proudly swear
do proudly swear
to carry out the responsibilities
to carry out the responsibilities
of the office of member of the Board of Assessment
member of the Board of Assessment
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
freely acknowledging
freely acknowledging
that the powers of this office
that the powers of this office
flow from the people
flow from the people
I am privileged to represent.
I am privileged to represent.
I further swear
I further swear
always to place
always to place
the public interest
the public interest
above any special
above any special
or personal interest,
or personal interest,
and to respect the right
and to respect the right
of future generations
of future generations
to share the rich,
to share the rich,
historic and natural
historic and natural
heritage of Delaware.
heritage of Delaware.
In doing so,
In doing so,
I will always uphold and defend
I will always uphold and defend
the constitutions of my country
the constitutions of my country
and my state,
and my state,
so help me God.
so help me God.
Congratulations, gentlemen.
All right. Thank you, sir.
I think you've earned your first $10 from the town treasurer.
Wow.
The next thing we need to do, gentlemen, is to elect from among your membership a chairman. And I will ask, are there any persons who would like to make a nomination?
I would like to nominate Bob Wallace as the president.
I would second that.
Do you want to nominate anybody, Bob?
No.
Okay. Let me call the roll here. Ed, you vote in favor of the nomination?
Yes, I do.
Bill?
Yes, I do.
Bob?
Yes.
Okay. Congratulations on becoming the chairman.
At the gavel, all right. Do I hear a motion to approve the agenda?
I make a motion that we approve the agenda.
I will second that.
All in favor?
Aye.
Okay. The Board of Assessment will hear and listen to property assessment appeals for the following properties and make a decision by voting.
The first property on the agenda this afternoon is 26 Seabrook Road. Ms. Parks, was notice given to the property owner of this appeal?
Yes.
And the property owner's name is?
James Knapp.
And is Mr. Knapp present today? Is this the one that Mr. Pine is going to meet with or not?
No, sir.
No.
Mr. Knapp, are you in the room?
Going once?
Mr. Chairman, it appears that Mr. Knapp, the property owner of 26 Seabrook Road, is not here for this appeal, and I would ask that the board affirm the assessment as prepared by the town's assessor.
All those in favor of affirming the assessment, say aye.
Aye.
All opposed? Motion carries.
The next item on the agenda is Willow Oak Avenue. And that's the property of whom, Dawn?
Michael Zimmer.
And that matter has been resolved, is that correct? No,
This is being deferred.
Okay, then we'll make a motion to defer this one until further application by the town or by the property owner.
Move. Second.
I make a motion that we defer 18 Willow Oak Avenue.
I'll second it.
All in favor?
Aye.
Motion carries.
27 Atlantic Avenue is the property of,
Petru Cornescu.
and this matter has been resolved between the assessor and the applicant, right?
Yes, he called me yesterday and said it was resolved.
No further action would be necessary, gentlemen. And the last one is 3 Edisto Court, which is Mr., I'll let you say, Walkley. right?
Raymond Walkley.
And this likewise has been resolved by,
I spoke with Mr. Walkley this morning, and he said the issue was resolved.
gentlemen, there being no further business before the Board of Assessment of the Town of Ocean View, I will return the floor to the chairman, the newly elected chairman.
And the power vested in me, and the gavel. Do I hear a motion to adjourn?
I make a motion that we adjourn.
I will second that.
All in favor? Aye.
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 We are adjourned.